All right. So we have my 1641. Yep, I did it. I put the matching pulley. That's was not on the previous video. Now we're gonna do a dyno pulse, see where it's at. See how much purse. Hey, we're gonna get another one of yours.
I got it. All right.
See how many purse?
Make the
Purse.
Make the
We already had a good success with the other motor. Hopefully we can carry on. Yeah, with this one. All right, this one is strapped up, ready to go. I believe I have to make a correction. The last video I said that he had AA pistons. It actually has Molly pistons on AA cylinders. That's what the actual is in here. We're going to go ahead and do 3500, 4500, and all the way until the power starts dropping. Leave it at that, and then we'll do a jet change. See if it goes the right way or the wrong way. And then when we get our peak horsepower, then we'll drop the belt and do a pull without a belt and see what the actual engine is making. So then when we do that and we're all said and done, we're gonna pull this muffler off and run our glass pack. This one right here, we'll tie it at the end. At the end. Cool. Paper going, and we'll go 25, 3 or 3,000, 4,000, like that, all the way up until it starts dropping power. Yes, Sexy 41.
1641?
Sexy 41.
Sexy.
Yeah, Sexy 41. Chico Performance. There you go. Cool. Let's pull it away. Gonna drop, huh? Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, I'm trying to drop on it.
Alright, so it's making 100 foot-pounds of torque, 4,000. It's making 96 horsepower, 55. It's making 90 at 5, 86 at 4.5. So you got it right here. And we're gonna do a jet change to see if we can get the number up a little bit. We would like to make 100, but I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna happen. But that jet change will tell us if we went the right way or the wrong way right here. Let's try it. Yeah. Up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got 98. I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, let's go 55. There it is. Let's do it.
I would do 4 and 45.
All right.
Right on the money. Remember I said 103?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if it's not really helping down low. He made like 2 more horse there. And he made 4 here. Up high is where like Celine did.
Yeah. That's good. Sounds clean. Okay, so we're gonna take this muffler. We're gonna take this muffler off, put this one on, and then we're gonna do a series of pulls. Whichever one did the most power, we'll leave that one, and then we'll pull the belt off and do another hit without the belt to see what the motor makes. Yeah, this was original division that I had for the engine. The only reason why I ended up with those duals is because I got the whole header as a deal with a race. But this is the original design I thought of with that. More.
How much? No, I made less.
Less?
Yeah.
At 55
Also,
it made more.
at 45.
No, it made less. It made less.
I made the same at 55.
Yeah.
102.
But not much of a difference. So that's good. That means that my jetting shouldn't change between the mufflers.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Exactly. You don't have to fuck with the jet.
Alright. Alright, let's just turn it off.
Give it a second.
Yeah. No, it didn't lose power. It didn't lose and it didn't make any. Yeah.
And this one made 19 horse with no belt.
Yeah.
It fucking. They drag it up.
Can I fire it up again?
Yeah.
Let it idle.
Drop the beer.
121 hertz per.
Yeah, bro.
No, that's it. Alright, so accomplished our goals here. The 1641 was able to make 102 horsepower, and that's with the belt. Without the belt, he made 121. Then this one made 150 or 149.5, and without the belt, he made 176. And this one, the way it looks is because also I want to get it all running and everything. Once the car is ready to put in the car, then we can paint the tin or powder coat or whatever, and then we can coat the header, the muffler, all that. But there's no point in doing that if it's gonna sit for a while because the engine, the car's not even closed. So that's it for today's video.